In this video, you will learn how to duplicate and delete an existing web page. To duplicate a web page, go to the left navigation menu and click on the page's icon. Next to the page you wish to duplicate, click on the settings icon. Then select Duplicate. And then click on Yes. The duplicated page will appear under the listed pages. To change the name of the duplicated page, click on the settings icon next to the duplicated page. And then select Show Settings. In the Edit Page window, under Page Name, type in a new name for the page. Then click Save. The duplicated page will now have a new name and appear under the listed pages. To delete an existing web page, go to the left navigation menu and click on the page's icon. Next to the page you wish to delete, click on the settings icon. Then select Delete. And then click on Yes. The selected web page will then be deleted and removed from the pages list.